and then I just added this one on, and I also have the.
Did that come with a charger?
No, this
Okay.
came as is. You can buy, if you already got the batteries and the charger, you can buy these cheap, cheaper.
Sure.
And just, use what you got.
Just a glue gun, huh?
Yeah.
And what's that in the side there?
That's how you turn the glue gun on, because it's got to heat up for a while.
Okay, how long does it take to heat up?
Not very long. Less than 5 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
It's ready to go.
Okay, and the sticks, are they just your typical glue gun sticks?
They are. These are the long ones, but these particular sticks I got were Gorilla sticks.
Oh.
That I got off of Amazon.
Gorilla hot glue sticks.
Yeah.
Have you tried other ones?
No, because these are good.
These are Gorilla glue sticks?
I've never had a problem with these, and I needed it for outside, and this was weather resistant.
So you got a 20 count pack of Gorilla hot glue sticks and a resealable bag. And how long are those sticks?
They're
about 9 inches.
Say how long they are. They're pretty long. 8 inches.
8 inches. Okay.
So, they fit perfectly, and one of them fits perfectly in there. You can see extended out. But,
wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right.
Yep.
Gorilla glue sticks. Ryobi. That's the Ryobi glue gun. The Ryobi impact wrench, and a Ryobi 18-volt drill. Yeah, a lot of people seem to like Ryobi stuff.
I haven't had any problems with these, so nothing.
Awesome. Good stuff.